Leadership is about finding your unique blueprint and expressing that confidently, courageously, and vulnerably. With this, I, Ayush Akar, along with my counterpart and colleague Shubhang Suman, would like to inform you all that today we have completed 1 year of the establishment of this organization, and would like to greet everyone, dignitaries, and my colleagues for the auspicious occasion of Foundation Day of All India Legal Forum. We would like to give credit to all the members who have worked relentlessly and immensely for the success of this organization. I would like to sincerely thank my colleagues and Mr. Shubhang Suman for laying down the foundation of this vibrant organization. When I look at this organization which was established last year, I never thought that today we have a reach of 16,000 people, law students across the country are connected with this organization, and we are today providing the law notes on a pro bono basis. So we never know that when this wave will come, this small initiative will become one of the biggest initiative of India. We have achieved a lot, and still we have to go for a long way. And the best and beautiful thing in this world is cannot be seen but can be felt by heart. And the only thing I would like to say that those who are working very hard will always achieve success in their life. A vote of thanks to all the members who have worked hard for the success of this organization, and I would like to say that keep working hard, and we will have a fruitful success, and hope to have a myriad count at imminent. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, this is Shubhang, founder of All India Legal Forum. Wishes you heartiest congratulations on our very first foundation day. It has been 1 year now since we have started this platform, and I think we have came to a long way. In the span of just 1 year only, we have managed to get the reach of more than 17,000 students through our 156 knowledge groups, and I think that's an amazing achievement. I can never imagine of this organization growing so big. All credit of it must goes to our work members who are burning their midnight oil for this organization. Anyways, we have achieved a lot, but I still have a long way to walk. Special thanks to those who have supported us and guided us. Thank you. Have a good day.
All India Legal Forum was started with the intention of not just having the quality blogs but also having quality people together, which we were successful in doing for past 1 year. I personally never thought that we would grow this fast and will have such a big team with students from all over the country working with us. It's lovely to see this organization grow as always, and as we complete 1 year, I hope we keep it the same in the future years to come.
Everyone, this is Rakshita Sharma, and I am the Secretary and Associate in All India Legal Forum. I just want to share my experience with you all. It's been almost a year. I've been a part of All India Legal Forum since August, and it's a wonderful journey, I can say. I've learned a lot of things here. It's a lifetime learning experiences for me, and the managers and founders and each and everyone is very cooperative.
Successful is more of a journey, not a destination. The greatest journey in our life is start off with small steps and few hard work. With this, greeting to all, myself Nandini Mangla, Vice Secretary and Senior Associate of All India Legal Firm. And the journey of All India Legal Firm is literally an amazing journey with me, my colleagues and my interns that really helps me a lot to development of my skills. And I am really inspired by my interns and my colleagues who definitely helped me a lot. Thank you so much for giving me such an opportunity, and I really developed my skills. Congratulations All India Legal Forum for your 1 year foundation, and it really a great time. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Vrunda Khanna, Senior Associate of All India Legal Forum. I would like to congratulate the organization for its 1 year completion, which is done with the hard work of our founders, managers and interns It is not an easy task but has been fulfilled now, and I wish that the organization will grow more in future also. My journey with All India Legal Forum is really great. I really learned a lot with the organization from each and everyone, from founders to my colleagues and from my interns also. It really helps me to enhance my legal knowledge and skills. I wish that organization will reach its heights and will get all the success it deserves. Thank you.
Greetings to all. Myself Monisha Chatterjee and I am an associate at All India Legal Forum. It is a platform which provides all the legal research materials, articles, blogs and each and everything for a law student. It is a platform where a basic need of a law student can be fulfilled completely. As per my experience, I'm working here since last few months and I had a great experience over here. The mentors, the colleagues are so helpful. The founders, Mr. Arish Akar and Shubham, they are so cooperative towards us at each and every moment. So I would like to thank all the members who guide us, teach us at each and every moment so that we have achieved a milestone over here today. At the end, I just want to say that failure is a part of success. When a person is failing determined and for lots of people it is a hard task, that person failed success. Also, I would like to thank my mentors for giving me this golden opportunity to work here. And yes, a hard, warm wishes and congratulations to each and every member, manager and founder of All India Legal Forum. Thank you.
Hello everyone, hope you all are safe and fine. My name is Supana Sarkar. I am the associate of All India Legal Forum. I have been working here since last year. It's almost 11 months. So throughout my journey, I have learned a lot of things and experienced many things. So yeah, this platform has given me almost a great opportunity throughout my journey. The working capacity and environment is awesome over here. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Happy Foundation Day. Thank you so much.
Hi, myself Sushant Hassan. I'm an associate at All India Legal Forum. I'm extremely delighted that All India Legal Forum has completed its first anniversary. I've been a part of All India Legal Forum since the very beginning and I've seen the organization grow leaps and bounds. It has indeed been an incredible journey, the credit of which must be given to the amazing team that we have. Here at All India Legal Forum, we thrive on excellence and hard work is a prerequisite. The work environment is extremely professional, which ultimately leads to the growth of the interns that we have in here. I'd like to congratulate everyone associated with the organization, right from the founders to the interns, and hope that All India Legal Forum achieves immense success in the days to come. Thank you.
in which you have to search and find. And the dreams aren't the things which are seen by the closed eyes. Dreams are the worlds which you see by the open eyes, and by putting your efforts and hard work, determination, you put and achieve your goal. Well, with these few statements, I'm very much the Public Relations Manager at All India Legal Forum would firstly like to congratulate to each and every member, intern, manager, council members, founders, honorary board members, advisory board members of All India Legal Forum for completing the milestone of 1 year on today, that is 17th May 2021. Well, I have been working here since past very few months, and I really had an incredible journey over here. I learned how to do management, I learned how to interact with the members, I learned how to manage the things along with so many different tasks at a single time. Also, I would like to thank you to my founders, to the organization founders who had given me the golden opportunity to working here as a public relations manager. And also, the congratulation will not be limited to the managers and to the advisory or honorary board members, but also to the interns and to the members who put their efforts from their side to make this organization successful. And yes, today All India Legal Forum is one of the leading online platform which has been founded in year 2020 and achieved a great milestone with a number of followers, with a number of subscribers, with a number of interns, with number of members over here. Yes, yet it's just the beginning. Many more are yet to come. 1 year is a beginning stage. More years are yet to yet. So with this, again I would like to conclude by saying that a hearty congratulations to each and everyone, and yeah, stay home, stay healthy. Thank you.